Welcome back to Check Fakta, your go-to channel for everything hot in European football. Today's spotlight shines on Manchester United's latest transfer chase. And it's not just any striker. It's the man who came inches away from changing football history. The man who nearly broke Messi's heart in Qatar. Yep, we're talking about Randal Kolo Muani. Stay tuned as we dive into why United are reigniting their interest in the French forward and what it means for their upcoming season. Let's get into it. Man United memburu pemain yang nyaris bikin Messi menangis memasuki bursa transfer musim panas 2025. Manchester United sibuk bermanuver mencari amunisi tambahan. Sudah 3 pemain baru yang diboyong setan merah. Untuk lini pertahanan, United mengimpor Diego Lian dari Paraguay. United juga memperkuat sektor depan dengan mendatangkan Matheus Cunha serta Bryan Mbeumo. 2 juru gedor anyar tak bikin mereka puas. United ingin menambah 1 pemain lagi untuk bagian depan dan targetnya adalah Randal Kolo Muani. Menurut laporan Gazzetta dello Sport, The Red Devils siap bersaing dengan klub lain untuk memperebutkan jasa penyerang timnas Prancis itu. Bukan kali ini saja United mengincar Kolo Muani. Mereka pernah melirik pemain yang sama saat musim panas ke 2023. Namun, kala itu United lebih memilih merekrut Rasmus Højlund. Kolo Muani menghabiskan paruh kedua musim 2024-2025 sebagai pemain pinjaman untuk Juventus. Dia pun tampil meyakinkan dengan memproduksi 10 gol dari 22 penampilan dalam semua ajang. Performa apik selama di Turin membuat Kolo Muani hendak dipermanenkan oleh Juventus. Akan tetapi, United berani bersaing dalam mendapatkan Kolo Muani. Nyaris bikin Messi menangis final Piala Dunia 2022 antara Prancis dan Argentina menghadirkan momen hips bagi Kolo Muani. Dia nyaris menjadi pahlawan bagi Les Bleus dalam laga puncak di Lusail Stadium. Saat skor seri 3-3, Kolo Muani memperoleh peluang emas untuk mencetak gol. Kolo Muani mendapati momen berhadapan 1 lawan 1 dengan kiper Emiliano Martinez dan tinggal menceploskan bola. Namun, bola hasil tendangan sang bomber mengenai kaki penjaga gawang Argentina. Lantaran upaya Kolo Muani tak berbuah gol, kedudukan imbang bertahan sampai 120 menit selesai. Pada akhirnya Prancis gagal jati juara akibat kekalahan dari Argentina dalam adu penalti. Andai Kolo Muani dapat memaksimalkan peluang menjadi gol, mungkin jalan cerita akan berbeda. Kalau saja pemain berusia 26 tahun itu nyekor, tim ayam jantan bakal naik podium juara dan Messi menangis. Manchester United have never been shy about making bold moves in the transfer market, especially when they believe that 1 or 2 signings could push them closer to domestic and the continental glory. Under new sporting leadership Candy with a refreshed strategy, the Red Devils have already brought in 3 high-impact players in the summer of 2025. Diego Lian, a promising center back from Paraguay, was signed to strengthen a defensive unit that struggled with consistency last season. Matheus Cunha, the Brazilian forward known for his technical flair and relentless passing, right the over depth and versatility up front. Bryan Mbeumo, a Premier League tested winger, was added to increase creativity and within the attacking third. And yet, Erik ten Hag or his successor, depending on who leads United in August 2025 isn't done building. The next target, Randal Kolo Muani. Born in Bondy, the same Paris suburb that gave the world Kylian Mbappé, Randal Kolo Muani has followed a unique path to stardom. Unlike main prodigies who graduate through Clairefontaine, Muani came through Nantes before taking a bold leap to enter Frankfurt in the Bundesliga. At Frankfurt, he announced himself as one of Europe's brightest attacking talents, combining blistering pace, shape movement, and an eye for goal. His ability to play as a central striker or wide forward made him a tactical asset. In 2023, PSG brought him home to France in a high-profile transfer. However, competition for places, tactical rotations, and the inconsistency led the alone move to Juventus in January 2025. Juventus, who were rebuilding under a modern, dynamic style, took a chance on Kolo Muani. It paid off immediately. 10 goals in 22 appearances across Serie A and the Europa League contributor in Juve's top 4 finish and the deep European run showed composure, chemistry with Dusan Vlahovic, Andy Hayward created his form reignited interest from top clubs across Europe and Manchester United were watching. It's not the first time Man United have chased Kolo Muani. Back in the summer of 2023, they were heavily linked with the Frenchman but eventually prioritized a deal for Rasmus Højlund from Atlanta. Højlund's performances have had ups and downs, flashes of brilliance tempered by bouts of inexperience and the inconsistency. While United still see potential in the Dane, they're keen to bring in a more experienced and reliable goal scorer. With Kolo Muani now entering his peak years, age 26, and having proven himself in multiple leagues, the time feels right for the Red Devils to act. What ends up with the clarity Kolo Muani story is the moment that touched him into football folklore for better or worse. World Cup Final 2022. Argentina vs France. The match finished 3-3 after extra time. With just seconds left on the clock, Kolo Muani was put through on goal. A one-on-one with Emiliano Martinez, Argentina's goalkeeper. A chance to win the World Cup for France. But fate had other plans. Martinez pulled off one of the greatest saves in World Cup history with an outstretched left leg. The ball stayed out. The match went to penalties. Argentina triumphed. Messi fulfilled his destiny. Had that shot gone in, Messi may never have lifted the World Cup. Andy Kolo Muani might be hailed as a friend legend. After that miss, man players would crumble. The scrutiny, the regret, the what-ifs they could consume a footballer's mind. But not Kolo Muani. Instead of hiding, he worked harder. He openly discussed the pain of that moment but turned that into fuel for growth. That maturity has impressed scouts and the managers alike. I'll never forget it. But I also don't want that moment to define my entire career, he said in an interview with L'Equipe in 2024. Juventus want to make his loan permanent, but they may face financial constraints. United, with stronger commercial power and the Premier League TV revenue, can make or outbid Juve. But they're not alone. Chelsea and the Bayern Munich have reportedly shown interest. PSG could even reactivate a return clause if Juve can't finalize the deal. Still, United offer a unique appeal, clear path to the starting 11 massive global profile and the rebuilding project that could make Kolo Muani a centerpiece. Career stats so far Nantes 2018 sampai 2022. 23 goals in 87 appearances Eintracht Frankfurt 2022 sampai 2023. 23 goals in 46 appearances PSG 2023 sampai 2024. 9 goals in 33 appearances. Juventus 2025 lawan. 10 goals in 22 appearances France national team. 16 caps, 4 goals if Manchester United are truly serious about rebuilding their attack and closing the gap with City, Liverpool, and the Arsenal, then Kolo Muani makes perfect sense. He's young, but experienced, dynamic, but disciplined, versatile, but little and most importantly, he has something to prove. A player like that still haunted by Martinez could become exactly the kind of hungry, high-impact figure who brings our traffic back to life. So what do you think? Reds, is Randall Kolo Muani the missing piece of Manchester United's puzzle? Or should the club look elsewhere for that next great striker? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our transfer specials. Until next time, this is Cik Fakta, signing